Hi dolls, hi my loves. I hope you guys are good. Sana ndisenomvuka. I'm sure you can just tell, Bana. This girl just woke up. Ndidiniwe man, and I'm also catching a flu. Learning Tinisawes. So today it is a Saturday, and ndizama to get ready. Ndikhapha ichomi yam. She has umcimbi at the in-laws. So ndihamba naye, and honestly sikwesa stage ngoku uba omnye unomcimbi then nawe funeka ukhuphe igiya yakho uhambe uyoncedisa. Like ndidiniwe man, ndidinwe down guys, but I have to show up. I think the time is now it's just before 7, and she told me she needs me to be there at 8. Ndifuna uhlamba as quick as I can, and then ndileqise. I also need to drop Imi off ki hairstylist yakhe because adevule isikolo and then inwele zakhe khangazenze. So I'm thinking we're gonna do that today and ndingabi late. I'm also so undecisive on what to wear, and that's why I'm a bit dark because I haven't worn one in like forever. And also and I'm not up for that, so I'll just opt for a full dress, but I'm really not sure AP. But I'm not opening a new full dress. Obviously I'm gonna wear from ezinizaziyo ndibe right ndibe mhle. So I'm just gonna have a quick bath and then ndihlambe no Imi, and then sihambe nomntanam. Baby, you is still sleeping, like usesekuseni guys, usesekuseni. So yeah, mandivase guys, and then ndizondibona xa ndigqibileyo, okay?
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
Hey my lovings, please do welcome back to yet another episode of my life. My name is Ueni, for those of you who do not know me, also known as Umamaka Imino Baby. You okay? To my returning subbies, please do welcome back, and to my new babies, please do stay and become part of the family. Umnandi app, okay? So guys, I'm done. I decided one is on the night dress. You guys already know that dress. So I'll just add my color just for control, just for vibes. I couldn't need one add, but like just for vibes. I just did my hair. I'm not sure but I just dyed my hair, and so let me just wear these. These will look a bit cute. I'll wear them later. Let me wear it, Duke. Guys, clear in but I don't think because this is Cape Town. I think Eastern Cape this is London. But after this is Cape Town, I don't think economy I'll just show my hair. Obviously, I love it because because I call that long. I call that big, not long. I call that big, but it's a was so this is how it's looking. I'm not sure but oh jeez, there we go, and there we go. Njengoba ndilook cute guys, ndisengumfazi womfana egqibeleni. Ndiyadlala. I'm just kidding guys. Andisemhle. Sivele kancinci ke inwele lapha ebheki. Yeah, this is how it's looking. Mama Uludid is up, and I'm really not sure if I should wear these. But I love them anyway. Or should I wear these? but I think I'm leaning more towards these because that is taking a lot anyway. Yeah, I think those are right. So I'll just wear this. Mandiambe guys because my friend sent me a text. They said bana uqhubile ngoku uyemzini wakhe, so I'll just meet her there because the plan was sidibane kwakhe and then sihambe sobabili, but ngoku it's already late. As I said, we're supposed to be up by 8 o'clock already, but ngoku I think 8 ubethile ngoku. I think 8 ubethile, but andizofika that late. No ndizofika nge 2:09 because ndiqhubile ngoku ndizophuma endlini. So yep. Guys. Oh, also another thing, I want to take you guys with me. I want to take you guys along, but also I'm not sure bana phana bazon allow abandi vlog. As you guys know, if ndikwaLudidi andikwazi vlog, and I really need to respect that. So andiyazi ke ba in-laws zika kukhanye zizovuma abandi, you know, ndivlog. But if zivumile, I'm gonna take you guys with me, but if abavumanga, then unfortunately ndizobe kanti ndizamile ndibe ndohlulekile. So masameni guys, ndingaloqi kakhulu sendilate noba late. Ndizonibona xa ndifika pha, ndizonibona xa ndifika pha hopefully, but if not ke andizonibona unfortunately. Hey guys. I know about why ndisithi hey. I just want to show you guys my OOTD. Ndifuna unxiba le nto kakuhle. I'm not sure, but ibingathi ihleli kakuhle. So let me show you like this. Yeah. You guys already know this dress is from Robohood. I'm not sure, but this is where the dress is from. So yeah, this is how I'm looking. All snatched. The young wives are up. Guys, we young kubani. I'm not sure if I should say my young wife or Kanye, but the young wives are up. Looking all cuties, face cuts, okay. Guys, and yes, but why I am still vlogging, because the late is stuff is saying, but here I am because I'm Tanda. Papa, you guys, yes, guys, and late. The time is now 9:30. Umntu 7. And also, guys, another thing. Because I'm so used to wearing that dress without a scarf or anything. Ngoku ndilibele ufaka iscarf, and then ngoku ndiye ndahamba naye next door kwasendlini because bendithi itshaja yami iqhawukile. And then la mama waphana uthi bana hayi siphi iscarf. And ngoku iride yami ibiseyisiza because ndirequestile, so iride yami ibiseyisiza ndiphantse ndahamba ndingafikanga scarf. Guys, tell me about abafazi abacinga bangabasekapa. Bezofike ndithini xa ndifika salenzeni nomcimbi ndifike isikhafu singekho, and then ukukhanya is already there. So benzofika bengazokwazi undiboleka isikhafu sakhe obviously, but ke ndiye ndasorted guys, ndiye ndasifaka isikhafu. So masambeni ke ndilate isitefe, but isanda i-10 yakhe this time. Yabona this time i-10 yakhe ave bakubanjani umuntu xa elate, xa ingembuyanga late because unifanele ngo-8 and she was like masande because ndigqibile ngoku naqonda ndisanxiba mna ndingagqiba nogqiba. But yeah, finally ke ngoku siyahamba. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. King. Look who's talking. Ubuza mna ngexesha, ubuza mna bangu-8. Ugoqo sana guys early namhlanje. Undifonele nge-8. Uba Thomi gqibile masihambe. Nkosi Thomi yam, andiyazi le nto ndenzela le app sana. Imagine bebe kuthiwa ndikude emazweni. Ngulo time bank ndini. Ngulo time bank ndingayazi uba ndimoye ngantoni. Hey my loves, Molweni guys, Molweni, yo, angazi, but anyway, today it is a Sunday, and I just got ready. I am going to Siskhanyi. I think I need to stop saying that all the time. I'm sure you guys already know by now, but I do my face Siskhanyi. So each and every time I'm going to get my face done, ndiya Siskhanyi. If Siskhanyi is not around, because she's also a wife, sometimes uba Eastern Cape, just know ba andizoyenza makeup yam because I cannot do makeup yam from anyone else besides Siskhanyi. So I just got ready and go to Yaguye. And today it is a Sunday, and I'm sure you guys already know what that means. It means that Sundays are for lovers, okay? So it is my man's birthday today, and I'm not telling you guys about Nangapi, because if I'm gonna tell you guys about Nangapi, you guys will quickly assume Bamnandi Nangapi. So I am not gonna tell you age, because I remember on one of the vlogs, not a vlog, I'm not sure if it was a sit down, I told you he's 2 years older than me. So if I tell you guys the age, yeah, but just know about Dala, he's an old man. So I'm just we're just going out to get umoya wethu Poland, just the two of us without abantwana. So yep. So I want to remove this thing, because you know why if you want to remove this thing, it's because ndibe ndithwele akazibhodarishi ngeenwele zam ngaphansi, but if ngoku ndizoya kuye ndibe ndingayithwelanga le nto, that means ba uzan-ayina andilungise iinwele zam, okay? So I'm gonna wear I was so indecisive uba ndizonxiba ntoni, but I'm gonna wear a full dress. I'm gonna show you guys when I come back xa ndigqibile unxiba. I think I just wanna bath ubaby you ngoku, then ndihambe nomdropha kwinini yakhe, and then I think zomdropha phaa andizophinde ndizoyomkroba nje, and then ndihambe, because yeah. So yeah guys, masihambeni siye kukhanya. Ndidiniwe mansana, like ndidiniwe guys. Izolo all the fun was had izolo, like I drank my sorrows away sana izolo. We had the most beautiful day, and there's the lock ingathi ndigqwethile sana, ingathi ndigqwethile le lokho, and ngoku andinalo ixesha loyitshintsha. I'm just going to Siskhanyi za operation, phinde operation back, so andinalo ixesha lotshintsha because ingandigqwethile. I think nendawo supposed uba iya eback, then lace back izapha eFrance. But anyway guys, masambeni when I come back ndizobuya ndi cute and dolled up. And another thing, Ukhanyi lately unenza into le bit a soft glam. Is it soft glam? I'm not sure if it's a soft glam or a natural look, but akasanenzi like the full glam, because each and every time I go to her and ndenze noba yintoni, and then uyangondonqena ngoku. I hope she says this. Uyandonqena wena Khanyi ngoku. I'm not even sure. Okay, last time ndiye kuye bendithe bana makandenze ilook simple because bendingambhukishanga, but this time ndimbhukishile and ndizomxelela uba ndenze noba yintoni. Andizutsho uba ndifuna i-full glam okanye i-soft glam okanye yintoni, ndizothi bana ndenze noba yintoni. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done uba uSiskhanyi uzondenza soft glam. I swear uzondenza soft glam. But I'm always happy with i-looks andenza zona. Like I am always happy. She already knows my face. Oko esenza ubuso bam since 2021 to 2022, I'm not sure, but oko ubuso bam babuthathwa nguye. So she already knows ngokuba ndifanelwa yintoni. She already knows uba ndithanda ntoni. So yeah guys, we are 3 minutes yonke oko let me bath my baby, and then ke ngoku ndihambe. Okay, Sana and Eli. And Eli. I don't probably that because wow. And the time is now 10:45 and booking yam kukhanya is for 11 o'clock. And sendizofika kuye and if undifike ne-client izoba yi-10 yam banimshawute awukwazi kaloku sanutye ixesha lam awukwazi uba uyuze ixesha lam for any client ngiyadlala guys. Yeah, so I just left home sendofika and ndiphethe lashes ngesandla because andifuna ukwenza ezi lashes ne because zinde kakhulu ndifuna something short but andinazo and I know ukhanye ndizofika isithi uba akanazo for a year so ndiphathe ezi just in case athi akanazo. And also guys, another thing, i-installation kaSlave by Twins ndineveki ngoku ndinangabi ngoku ngenzele le installation. Is it a week or 2? I think it's a week. I think it's a week and some days. I'm not sure, but it's a week and some days. But isahleli sala ndikayenze mix, angikafaki mix but isahleli nje kakuhle. So yeah, my love, masameni ke sekukhanye ngizomshawuta because ngizomshawuta ndimshawute sise uba une-client. But one thing I love about ukhanye awusoze ufikelele noba ungaeli kanjani awusoze uzofika kuklinik kwakhe uzofika ehleli like efresh soloko. One thing about her. So sezofika ngoku and I'm gonna speak to you guys mangqibile kwenza ukosi.
Awusoze ba usebhizi sisi for ixesha lam awusoze ba usebhizi ngexesha lam sisi uleve 52 uzawube ungekagqibi nge-8 minutes ixesha lam khanyi please sisi ayisendihlazinwele ungandisokolisi molweni sisi ungandisokolisi ngexesha lam sana ndithile nakukhanye ndizamfumana namhlanje ndizamfumana njengoba qala ushawuta igame yakhe. Ndaba ngumntu otshintshileyo mna sisi ndaba ngumntu otshintshileyo. Yo andisemhle sana athi ndibheke thenga athi ndimilena kakuhle nje thenga athi ndimilena kakuhle nje yo wena yo andimhle ewe ndingena mna lo ndigeyina xa ndityebayo ndigeyina apha emazantsi ndityeba ngamazantsi.
Turn right, then turn left. In 100 meters, turn left onto Aberdare Street. In 100 meters.
So guys, I am done. I'm not really done, but I am almost done. I just got home and changed. So you guys can see I'm wearing this beautiful dress. I am gonna give you all the details of that dress, guys, but I got it from a reseller, and I also think it's fair ubana nithenge ke reseller directly, because if you're gonna buy from the shop izothatha ixesha elide, but from a reseller I think it takes 7 days, because I think that dress took me 7 days. Lo sisi lona wayethe banacela ndim-advertise business yakhe on Facebook, so nampostela, so I decided, okay, let me just get myself le dress kuye and service yakhe shem ibintle kakhulu. So yeah, this is how the dress is looking. So ndizofaka nale. I'll also add this on top if I go to Lena. And then this is how it's looking. Love, love, love Kesan. And then it also comes with a duck. I'm obviously gonna wear a duck because today the bawela over mama. And cook good to get some toilet, but I'm gonna give it a try. There's no one. And cook good in Yanni, but in the phone toilet. Okay. How I wish Benina really is in there. Just wanna show my hair. And then yes. Yes. Kaningi kuyahlangana. Yes. Nanso nje. Nanso nje guys. I think uhlangene. This is my hair. Love this hair so much, Kesan. I'm sure you guys can tell by now, but there's tanda, it's giving everything. So I'm not sure which ones to wear. I have these. I'm sure you can see my anchor and a detail, and I also have these. But I think I wanna wear these. I like girl open back, and that's about why. Because the last time I checked them, I saw Zella, but it doesn't look like we saw Zella work. Nah. As in, too much. Yeah. Too much anger, so I changed to these again. You guys already know Kebabu, so I'm eating in the yabo. So I don't need to tell you guys twice. Yeah, this is how it's looking again. Yo, I love this dress so much. But I number go to get but obviously it's banazo because it's a design it's so as a banazo important on by banana in hopefully they have guys. But yeah, this is how I'm looking. I'm just waiting for Lamfana Wakoludit. If you get saying why you Worcester, but he's on his way back and go. He just texted me about years ago. Then says and the same thing. Oh, okay, let me show you guys the shoes. Obviously, if there's guys who TED, there's also TED because it's forever. The reason why I'm talking about is because it's in the window you won't get it black. I don't even have to explain that, and that's when I explain. So I'm gonna wear those shoes like Zona, and then I'm gonna show you guys Pandikule. What was it? So I just want to show you guys. I'll carry this bag, and I'll wear these shoes. Sana for abanyamandu, these shoes are uncomfortable, but for him, that's also not comfortable. Like for him, I know. But I is a gas Steve made, and this is a gas fix easy. So there's a difference. For him, Nashim is very comfortable. I can wear these the whole day. So I'm just waiting for Habstar Robo, and then as soon as it gets here, okay, it's his birthday after all. I don't spoil. Okay. So nibona xa ifikayo xa ifikileyo guys because akakafike ngoku but mna ndiyarayite shoka ndibizihlangu ngoku and what else ndiqonde. Not me forgetting I am vlogging. Ndifana nilibala guys, ndifana nilibala sana. Afika ngisibhathi ayisemveke sana. Ndifana nilibala. So finally Mr. uye wafika. Someone said bana I am showing less of Mr. L
what can I post more of him? Guys, to be honest, like unfunny bana le account ne ibe centered around here. I'm not sure when I get her. I even had to remove his name yakhe apha and then share eyami surname yodwa, because honestly, like unfunny like ibe about him. When I'm sure here and there, but like unfunny le account ba ibe ngaye, like xa ningamboni nimbuze ba like ndifuna nimlibali nimazi ba le account eyo yakhe, so nizambona here and there. But ke obviously namhlanje I can show more of him because ibirthday yakhe, otherwise I can go out with him but ningamboni indawo eyi-one because I'm showing less of him, and that's when I get an limited time. But yeah, it is what it is. We are figure and it's so late. The time is now 2:15, but at least the reservation here is for 2 o'clock, and also it's a Sunday. Yeah, but so because it's a Sunday, I don't think we'll dwell, and I am month end, so I really doubt about we'll dwell. So yep, Sundays are for lovers. Sundays are for married couples. Yeah, guys, Sundays are for God. Sundays are for God, but because iyazalwa shame namhlanje, Madam had to, Madam had to. And also uyikhona into ayintyala yona lo bhuti, ukhona into ayintyala yona, so andiyazi uba uzandilungisa nini. Uyayazi uba uyantyala mos, ungayithethi uba yintoni, but uyayazi uba ndiyantyala. He knows now, behleka. Yeah guys, andimhle mani. Yho, angimuhle guys, ndiyamthanda uthandi ne, khona laa nto athanda uyithela, ngimuhle bazondintshontsha. Yho, angimuhle, ndimhle le. Oh, yo guys. Khangancome ke sana abantu, ngicela nincome nini na guys, cela ngizotheka uphi? Yeah. Guys, basabeni hayi ngimuhle bazongintshontsha sana. Yo, I love this dress so much guys. I love this dress so much. And also the fact that ngoku bendidesignela le dress khangafumana i-measurements zam. Obese wathi mandimthumele i-picture, and I send the picture, and I send the picture, and yeah, figure it fits like a glove, son. I love it so much, guys. Sorry. I said percentage, but it's all about namhlanje, and nguphathi kwa andifuna ukuqalisa kwa something Stellenbosch. Obviously ndingayishare location because xa iphuma le vlog sabe sesibuyile, nasabe ndinga lelo qale kakhulu. But sana, I just wanted to show you guys my face. I just wanted to show you guys my face. I just wanted to show you guys my outfits. I wanted to show you guys my hair. I mean, sana yonke into. Yes. a city chairs is Sorry guys, one thing about him. Uzoorder ukutya. Xa igqiba order ukutya akutye agqibe ugqiba abuye aze kum athi khandidlise koku kwakho like ndishiye ukutya ngoku shape isencinci ogqiba uthi saba ndiyigqibezele and akazoyiva ndithe ndicela i-take away bag ngozayifaka kuyo akazoyiva unaloo nto yena odwa ukutya ugqiba xa ndingagqibanga mna athi uba ndishiyele sapha nditye sapha ndikutye uba kahluthanga baphinda onke shinthi azoyiva nyhani abana nezithuthi zengabi ziyi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zi-8 zazifaka ki-take away box naso incinci kambalebo ifanele zona enkosi bhuti izawulethu 30 minutes iyavela nje so we came back. It's been a minute so Udid is just going to the mall and there's no and then we just decided to tag along. Guys, today is a Sunday and I feel I feel and then just chill but and so we're just going to the mall and also on the way we got some wine. So I think I'll just get home and then chill over that wine. Otherwise, I feel like it's just a ace, but I because so I also got home and then kulula because it's here more and then we just took the kids her back so I'll just get home and then drink some wine and then in the land also because can't sell it in fact can't sell it at all because I drank a lot so we're just doing that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna close this vlog for today or if I'm gonna close it off tomorrow, but I'm honestly not sure if there's anything else and because I just wanted to give you guys like you vlog your weekend, which I did. And if I don't close this vlog then I'm obviously gonna come back and then just close it off and then hopefully it's gonna come out on Tuesday. If not Tuesday, then it's gonna come out on Wednesday. So it's like you see speak up here with the editing and all that. But otherwise I'll see you guys around. I'm just going nobu emails and then I'll just stay in the car with the baby because it's a car so yeah guys. Molweni guys, it is many years later and there's no so it's another day vlog. I know I was supposed to close this vlog on Sunday already, but today I'm just coming back from town and then I just decided man can use pembarish and nails and eyelashes. I think I'm also gonna do my lashes on Kosho. So and beauty nails and I'm just thinking, but let me just take you guys with me
get it nails, and then we can close off this vlog namhlanje so we can start a new one because ngiyanizama. I said after every 2 weeks, but in Goku I'm giving you vlogs like nobody's business. So I just want to close this vlog namhlanje, but before I do that, I want us to do nails together, and then so in this demand, okay? Hey my loves, once again, so I come back. So I just want to close this vlog. Honestly, we've had a lot to do because the plan was to give you guys a weekend vlog. So I just wanted to close this vlog. Also, I didn't do my lashes because it's better, so I couldn't do my lashes. Lash tech that normally does my lashes. So now we get nails. Just want to show you guys the nails. Sigwi season ka butter yellow, so I decided to do butter yellow. Now defeat in. So I don't think there's anything else man go. I think we are done in this vlog, because if you're gonna continue go, which means is a Pumakdala vlog has been as I need to start vlogging for any vlog, you know. So I just hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog, and most importantly, I hope you guys did not skip ads, and I also hope you guys watched till the end. I am gonna see you my loves on the next one. Hopefully it will be the soonest, but you guys already know I love you so much. And thank you so much for 16k guys. Thank you so much. We are now approaching 17k, and hopefully when this vlog comes out, so 17k. Okay, so yeah guys, thank you so much for your support and everything else that you do for me. I am gonna see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.
Am I really that much?